Welcome again to the world of gadgets and cool techs. Get ready to be amazed as we unveil a collection of the coolest gadgets that are sure to redefine the way you live, work, and play. From futuristic wearables to mind-boggling smart devices, this video is packed with innovation that will leave you in awe. Introducing the Jepwco G8 Elite. It's the ultimate privacy superhero that takes your safety to the next level. This portable wireless hidden camera detector rocks 4 pro modes and wicked advanced detection tech. It sniffs out wired and wireless hidden cameras, sneaky monitoring gadgets, GPS locators and more, putting an end to privacy leaks. And guess what? It's pocket-sized and weighs a measly 25 grams, way smaller than those clunky bug detectors. You get a whopping 25 hours of action-packed work time, plus ultra-accurate detection with Jepwco's exclusive wizardry. Say goodbye to privacy invasion and hello to a safe and happy life with this epic detector. And guess what? It's a steal at just 69 bucks. Tertill, the turtle of garden weeding robots, tackles the tiresome job while you concentrate on nurturing your plants. Simply position it in your weed-free garden, press the button and let it take over. With its intelligent technology, it distinguishes between plants and weeds based on their height, carefully avoiding plants while swiftly eliminating anything that crosses its path. This amazing solar-powered wonder is designed to withstand any weather conditions and remains in your garden throughout the entire season, effortlessly maintaining up to 200 square feet of garden space. Treat yourself or someone else to the gift of hassle-free gardening and savor the pleasure of fresh, healthy vegetables. Get the garden weeding ally for discounted price of $225. The Aqara Smart Video Doorbell G4, produced by Aqara, specializes in smart home devices. This innovative gadget aims to enhance home security by providing high-definition video monitoring and intercom capabilities at your front door. With a high-quality image sensor, it captures clear visuals even in low-light conditions. Communicate with visitors using the built-in speaker and microphone without opening the door. Stay informed with motion detection alerts sent to your smartphone, keeping you aware of any activity outside your home. Experience enhanced security and peace of mind with the Aqara G4. Get it now for only $119. Spacetop. For those of us who require multiple screens for work, but find them bulky and in need of space for other devices, the Spacetop AR laptop is the solution. Unlike traditional laptops, it features a keyboard and AR glasses. Simply wear the glasses, and any location becomes your personalized workspace with customizable windows of your preferred size. The best part? It operates like a regular laptop without the need for complex gesture controls or external hardware integration, ensuring the privacy of all your data. Say goodbye to clutter and embrace the convenience and privacy of the Spacetop AR laptop. Get this AR laptop early access for $2,000. Earbuds can often be inconvenient and prone to falling out of the ear, leaving us with limited options. But we don't have a choice, do we? Well, now it's time to change that perception. Enter the NWM earphones, designed to address these concerns. Featuring personalized sound zone technology, these earphones create a customized audio experience, immersing you in sound while ensuring no disturbance to others around you. Say goodbye to discomfort and embrace a personalized, immersive audio journey with NWM earphones. Want to try it out? Check the link and get it for $133. FeelBelt. FeelBelt is a wearable haptic feedback device that turns your audio experience into a fun, belly-shaking journey. Get ready to rock your waistline and ignite your sense of humor with the FeelBelt. With the help of vibrations that replicate the sensation of bass, this slim belt tightly wraps your waist and compels you to dance along with the beat as though no one is looking. FeelBelt takes immersion to a whole new level, letting you practically bounce off the walls whether you're gaming, watching a movie, or just dancing to your favorite music. So fasten your belt and be ready for a fantastic extravaganza that will have your companions wondering if there is a dance party going on inside of you. This belt is available for $279. Seabeast AF90 is a revolutionary full-face snorkel mask that tackles the fogging issue with its special mask material and new technology, providing a clear view without any fogging. It offers the largest field of vision among all masks, significantly augmenting your visual experience underwater. With its innovative design, the Seabeast AF90 ensures that salt water stays out of your mouth, preventing any discomfort or gagging. Additionally, it features a convenient foldable snorkel that can be easily locked or unlocked onto the mask. Dive into an unparalleled snorkeling experience with the Seabeast AF90. Grab your own Seabeast snorkel for $59. That's all for today. Comment below which gadget you like the most. See you in the next video.